Is it too late to buy Tesla stock when the price has pumped more than 15%? What should be the next trading strategy that you should take for the Tesla stock? Let's start with this 4-hour chart. So the first obvious scene is that the price is following this channel. If we go back to the top part, we are talking about 320, 330, and if we try to measure this up from the current price, this is roughly 29%. But this is too simplistic. Let's take a deeper dive and see what is happening, starting with this peak in volume over here. In my last video I was talking about 250, 260 as the next target from this point, and we are currently there and seeing a small rejection from here. However, let me zoom in and show you what is actually happening. Look at the candle we are getting today. This is a very bullish candle. This is an engulfing candle similar to what happened here, or even this one over here. So yes, bullish candle forming. Hopefully we take out these tops that are sitting at $255 to $60. So overall market structure is looking nice, and if I talk about trend lines, look at what is happening. So we are seeing bounces from this trend line. Hopefully we continue the same pattern, and let's just try to duplicate this over here. And in the short term we are getting this target of 260, 265, which means we will take out these tops hopefully. But if I just zoom out a little bit, I want to show you that this is what is actually happening, that the price is still in this bear flag in the 4-hour chart. So this means we have to be very careful as soon as we reach this area, that there might be a big rejection back towards the long-term trend line, which is this one over here, and this would mean something like 230, 235, and this would be similar to the action we saw over here. But even in that case that we drop to this point, this still is a very good retest, and hopefully we will see a nice bounce from here. Let's do one more thing and quickly check the fib levels. They will tell us what is happening. So 0.382 was sitting at 224, and that is from where we are seeing the current bounce, and price is reaching the 236 level at 253. Let's quickly check the fib levels on this recent move only and see what is happening. So price bounced from the 382 level sitting at 245, so this is a very good bounce, and the gold zone is sitting at 265, once again telling us that this range can really come into play. And look towards the left side, look at all of this action here, and once again over here also. So 260, 265 is a very important short-term target. And if I just zoom out a little bit, look at this one, 1.27 level sitting at 323, and the 1.618 at 350. So these are the ultimate target, at least for this move over here. Now let's try to map out what these moves would actually look like. So if the price pumps from here to 320, 330, we are talking about a 30% pump. So this is a very good move. And if we just try to see what a long would look like from here, so target 330 and stop loss below this low over here at roughly 2728, giving us a risk to reward ratio of 1.76, which is good enough to enter over here. So in case this level does not hold, then yes, next buy can be around 220, 230, somewhere around here, and this way we can buy in parts and make a nice average price and still keep the target starting from maybe 275 and then 320. So this is what it is happening on the 4-hour. Now let's just check the daily chart and see if we can spot anything. So first again I would like to check the fib levels, because there is something very interesting happening, which is that the price bounced from the 0.382 sitting at 221, currently testing the 0.5 level, and the 618 it's sitting at 294, and the 786 346. So again this area very important. Other than this, there are some good news in the market regarding Tesla. The first one being that the Model 3 for the next year has been announced, and the second one being that Tesla has increased their production at the Chinese plant. So that is very good indication for the market that they are expecting greater demand over the next few months. Now enough of the bullish scenario, let's quickly take a quick look at what can happen if there is a drop from here. Like I said, this one over here, the next one is the double bottom, which will be around 210, 205, and the extreme retest can be 185, which is this peak in volume. So these are some of the key levels that can get retested. So do let me know in the comments, what do you think about all of this? Are you planning to go long on Tesla, or you will wait for this point here and then go short? Let me know your strategy in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Our recent analysis video is on the screen. If you wish to watch those, please feel free to click. And a gentle reminder, market is extremely volatile. If you're actively aggressively trading, please consider using proper risk management. Thank you for watching.